Yesterday we have completed shortcut tricks on addition, and today we'll continue multiplication shortcut tricks. In multiplication shortcut tricks, we'll learn several types of multiplication, taking different digits into consideration. Always we have to learn the multiplication of two numbers with number of digits in the first and second number may vary. Accordingly, from Vedic mathematics, we have to learn some tricks. Overall, total number of types of multiplication circuit tricks are multiplication of two-digit numbers and multiplication of three-digit number with a two-digit number and multiplication of three-digit numbers, multiplication of four-digit numbers with two-digit number, and multiplication of numbers range below 50, multiplication numbers range above 50 and below 100, multiplication of three-digit numbers range above 100. Multiplication of numbers more than 100, multiplication of any two numbers by tabular method, typical base methods, taking base as 100, 200, 1000, any number may take as base 2000, 4000, 5000, 10,000, like this. Multiplication of number with certain specific numbers such as 5, multiplication of certain number with 5, certain number with 25, and certain number with 50, 125, 9, 11, 13, and 99, and some miscellaneous special shortcut methods. First, we'll begin with multiplying a two-digit number with a two-digit number. While multiplying a two-digit number with a two-digit number, we have to multiply from left side 3 unit place. In the unit place, 3 is here and 4 is here. We'll multiply 3 into 4, 12, and here we'll note down 2 and carry forward 1. Then next, cross multiply these two numbers, 4 into 4 and 3 into 6, cross multiply. First digit of first number with second digit of second number. Similarly, second digit of first number with first digit of second number. 4 into 4 and 3 into 6, 18. And we'll add this 6, 3, 4 into 4, 16, 3 and 6, 18, 16, 18. Add these two numbers, 34, and we have carried forward 1. We add here 1, 30 for 1, that is 35. Out of 35, we will note 5 and carry 3. Again, multiply first digit of first number with first digit of second number, that is 4 into 6, 24. 4 into 6, 24, and we have carried forward 3. We will add here 24 plus 3, 27. Then is 27, and our final result is multiplication result is 2752. 27, here 27, here note 5, here note 2, note down 2. So 2752. When we calculate, we calculate is by mentally within short time by practicing several types of two-digit number with a two-digit number. Here mentally calculate like this. From we will proceed from left right hand side. From right hand side, uh, that is your uh, 3 4 3 into 4, then cross multiplication 4 into 4 plus 3 plus 6, 6 into 4, and we'll carry forward like this 1 to this, then next carry forward to this, and at last the result will be 2752. Then another thing, will multiply with three-digit number or two-digit number. Similar procedure. First, we'll multiply the third digit of the first number. We are multiplying three-digit number with two-digit number. For example, 356 into 47. First, we have to multiply 7 into 6, 42, 7 into 6. Third digit of first number with second digit of second number. Then note 2, 42. You note 2 and carry 4. Then we'll cross multiply 4 7 5 6 7 4 4 4 6. We'll take cross multiply 7 5 7 into 5 6 into 4 6 into 4. Then we'll add these two results, 35 plus 24, 59. Then we have carried forward 4 beforehand, and we'll add this 59 plus 4, that is 63. Here note 3 and carry 6. Then we have to cross multiply 7 into 3, 5 into 4, 7 into 3, 5 into 4. Then add these two results, 21, this is 20, that is 41, carry 6, we'll add this carry 6, 41 plus 6, 47. Then out of 47, we'll note 7 and carry 4. Finally, we'll multiply the end digit 3 into 4. 3 into 4, that is 12. And carry, we'll add the carry 4 here, 12 plus 4, 16. Hence our result is 16732. 16732, and this is 2. While multiplying these numbers, we'll practicing it several times so that we can able to work out very quickly, that is within seconds. Next, we'll learn three-digit number with three-digit number. That is here, for example, 347 with 658. Multiply 7 into 8, end number 7 into 8, multiply 7 into 8, then it is 56, note 6, carry 5, Then cross multiply 4758. We'll take 4758. Cross multiply 4 8 32 7 5 7 into 5 35. We'll add these two results 32 plus 35 67 and carry 5 add carry 5 67 will 5 72. From 72 we'll note 2 carry 7. Next cross multiply 3 5 4 6 3 3 5 4 6. These two digit and these two digit cross multiply. So cross multiply 3 5 3 3 5 4 6. This is 15 and this is 24. Add these two numbers 25 plus 24 39. Beforehand we'll add to carry 7. 39 plus 6, that is 46. Out of 46 we'll note 6 and carry 4. And lastly cross multiply 3 into 8 3 into 8 3 3 with 8, then 4 7 into 6 7 with 6 3 7 6 8 cross multiply. So this is 24 and 42. Are these two result, that is 24 42, that is 66, and add 4 add 4, that is 70. 66 plus 4 70. Your node 0 carry 7 and instead of 8 multiply 3 into 6 3 into 6 3 into 6, that is 18, and carry 7, add carry 7, 18 plus 7, that is 25. Your result is 25026. 25026. Similarly, we can take an example of numbers with a 4-digit number with a 2-digit number. That is 4256 into 57. 7 into 6, that is 42. 7 into 6, 7 into 6, that is 42. Carry 4 and cross multiply 5 6 5 7. 5 6 5 7. 5 5 5 6 5 6 5 7. That is 30 and 35. Are these above two result? 30 plus 35. Add carry 4. 4 and carry 4. Add carry 4, that is 65 plus 4 69. Here you have to note 9 and carry 6. Cross multiply 2 into 7. 2 into 7. 2 2 into 7 and 5 into 5. 5 into 5. The above two results are 14 plus 25, that is 39. Add carry 6 beforehand. 39 plus 6 45. Note 5, then carry 4. Cross multiply 7 4 5 2. 7 4 7 4 7 4 5 5 2. 7 4 5 2. Then are the above two results 28 plus 10, that is 38? Then carry 4, 38 plus 4 42, note 2, then carry 4 and multiply 5 into 4, 5 into 4, multiply 5 into 4 in numbers, 5 into 4, add carry 4, then this is 24, and the result is 242592. 2424 2 per 2 5, then 92, the last page 92. So this is the multiplication of 4-digit number with 2-digit number. Okay, we are continuing this our class, discuss all different methods in our next class.